All right, for our last two samples here, we have magnesium, which we can see is shiny. It is malleable. Obviously, it's already been hammered out into this thin piece. So I would say yes. When I go to check to see if it will light my light bulb here, I've only got a little tiny piece because magnesium is expensive. So it's really hard to kind of do at the same time here, but it does indeed conduct. Ooh, get the light over there. It does indeed get the light going. So yes, it conducts electricity. Now we're going to see if it reacts with acid here. This is why I'm wearing my goggles, because magnesium and acid react a whole bunch. You can see it all bubbling. We can continue to watch that bubbling. Our last one is carbon. You might know it as charcoal. It is definitely a dull. Is it malleable? Well, I can kind of like take it and crush it up, and it powders and breaks, so I can't really make it into a soft, smooth wire. It does not conduct electricity. So if I get those in there, I get no light bulb turning on. And this is activated charcoal, so we probably will actually get a reaction with the acid, but we shouldn't. So it's really not doing anything there. So that would be a no. So it's black in color, and it's hard. It is a solid, right? So all different kinds of observations you can be making there about these things. It is important that you get this information, because when we are finished, you are going to be writing another CER. And we're going to be working on this. So as soon as you are finished, we are going to do some Google drawings to help you kind of organize that better so that we get some good CERs.